Before you begin, be sure your car is parked safely and is turned off. Always be mindful of hot components like radiator hoses, caps, and other items nearby. Replacement of the air filter for the 2023 Toyota Prius is one of the easiest of many cars because of the location and the design of the air filter box. Located at the front driver's side of the engine compartment, the air filter box is easily accessed without having to remove any components, and no tools are necessary to change the filter. To remove the old filter, simply release the two clips at the top of the air filter box with your fingers or a screwdriver if necessary. Once released, tilt the top of the air filter box toward the passenger side of the car to give access to the air filter element. You can now pull the air filter element out and replace it with a new one. Inserting a new filter can take a little care, being sure not to scrape or damage it as you slide it into place. Note that the top of the air filter box is held into place at the front with two tabs. Be sure they're in proper alignment or it won't close properly. Once you have the new filter element in place, you can snug the box closed and secure it into place with the two metal clips. Finish by inspecting to assure that there are no gaps or pinched edges of the filter showing. Then you're done. For more detail, we have additional videos on the 2023 Toyota Prius. You can find these linked below in the information section or to the right. You can also subscribe to our channel by clicking the logo. Thanks for watching.